Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to transfer crypto from Kraken to your Ledger Nano X step by step, nice and simple. First things first, before you touch Kraken, you need a receive address from your Ledger. Grab your Ledger Nano X and connect it via USB or Bluetooth. Unlock it, then open up Ledger Live on your computer or phone. Head to your accounts or portfolio section and find the crypto you want to receive, Bitcoin, Ethereum, whatever it is. If you haven't added that account yet, click add account and install the app when prompted. It only takes a moment now. Click receive, select your account and Ledger Live will show you an address. Here's the critical part. Look at your Ledger device screen and make sure that address matches exactly, character for character. Once you've confirmed it on the device, go ahead and copy that address. Do not skip that verification step. It's the one thing standing between you and losing your funds. Alright, now head over to kraken.com and sign into your account. Once you're in, navigate to transfer, then withdraw. On older versions of Kraken's interface, this might be under funding, same place, just a slightly different label. Now here's where you want to pay close attention. Select the cryptocurrency you're sending and make sure it matches exactly what you set up in Ledger Live. Then choose the correct network. Bitcoin goes on the Bitcoin network, ETH and ERC20 tokens go on Ethereum, and so on. A network mismatch is one of the most common mistakes people make, and it can mean permanently lost funds, so take your time here. Paste in the receive address you copied from Ledger Live. Don't type it manually, always paste it and then double check the first and last few characters. Enter the amount you want to send, keeping in mind Kraken's minimum withdrawal and any network fees. If you're sending something like XRP or Stellar, you may see a field for a memo or destination tag. For most assets on Ledger, you won't need one, but always verify before confirming. Take one last look at everything, the address, the amount, the network, then hit confirm. Kraken will likely ask for two-factor authentication or an email confirmation to finalize. And now you wait. The transaction is on its way through the blockchain. Bitcoin might take a few minutes. Some other coins are much faster. You can track it in real time using the transaction ID or TX ID that Kraken gives you. Just paste it into a blockchain explorer like mempool.space for Bitcoin or Etherscan for Ethereum. Once it's confirmed, your funds will show up in Ledger Live. Give it a refresh if you don't see it right away.